Welcome to our video class. Let us take today few more problems on circle. First problem is a circle lying above x-axis and passes through origin and makes equal intercepts root 2 from y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x from these two straight lines. Then center of the circle is options 1 1, 0 1, 0 root 2 and 2 2. So as per problem, suppose this is x-axis and y-axis. A circle lying above x-axis and passes through origin, it is of the type of this type, passes through origin and lies above x-axis, and it makes equal intercept from these two straight lines. Y is equal to x, this is y is equal to x, and this is y is equal to minus x. So then we have to find the radius of the circle. Clearly, this length chord and that length along this and that, they are equal. Therefore, due to symmetry, we can say that the radius, center of the circle must lie on y-axis. This is x-axis, say, this is y-axis. So center must lie on that. Moreover, and because this angle is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, and this is 90 degree. And therefore, this is a diameter. And suppose coordinate of C is a comma, x coordinate must be 0. So this is a, this is root 2, this is also a. Therefore we get from the right angle triangle a square plus another a square is equal to root 2 whole square. That is 2a square is equal to 2. That is a is equal to plus minus 1. But as because the center lies above x-axis, so a is your 1. So center of the circle is, it lies on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0, and this is a means 1. So 0 and 1, 0 comma 1 is the center of the circle. Next, problem. The center of circle in fourth quadrant. Center of the circle is in fourth quadrant, which touches x-axis at 4 0 and makes an intercept of 6 units from y-axis is. So in that case, if we draw it lies in fourth quadrant. Means here, center of the circle is in fourth quadrant, and it touches x-axis at 4, 0 and makes an intercept of 6 units from y-axis. Sorry, suppose this is a circle. It touches x-axis at 4, 0, meets y-axis at a length of 6 units. So from there, this is a chord. From its midpoint, perpendicular is drawn, which will be equal to parallel to x-axis. This will be diameter, and this is another diameter. So this is center of the circle, and we have to find center of the circle, and the center options are 4 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 2. So this intercept with y-axis is 6. So due to symmetry, that it is 3, it is 3. This is a radius of the circle, this one. This one is radius of the circle, this is also radius of the circle. If we can find this, center will be 4, minus of that quantity. Why minus? Now it lies below x-axis, so y coordinate will be negative. Now clearly this is, say, A. Just 1 minute. This is, say, A. This is 4. This is, it touches circle at 4, 0. So this is 4. This must be 4. This must be 3. Radius of the circle will be root over 3 square plus 4 square, which is nothing but 5, is equal to 5. So this is 5, this is 5. So center of the circle is that point. X coordinate is clearly 4, y coordinate is minus 5. 4 minus 5 is the correct option. Now let us go for the next problem. A circle passes through minus 1, 0 and radius is 1. A circle passes through minus 1, 0 and touches y-axis at 0, 2. Touches y-axis at 0, 2. Like that. A circle passing through minus 1, 0, it is I have taken this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this is negative x-axis, minus 1, 0, somewhere that. It passes through minus 1, 0 and touches y-axis at 0, 2. Oh, just 1 minute. 0, 2 and minus 1, 0. Okay. Touches y-axis at 0, 2. This point is, say, 0, 2. So center is somewhere there. And it also passes through minus 1, 0. Oh, so my drawing is not okay. It is x-axis, it is y-axis, So all along it lies on right hand side of y-axis. So x cannot be 0, cannot be negative. For that purpose, if we draw like that, circle touches y-axis at 0, 2 at that point, and it passes through -1, 0. It also passes through -1, 0. So it is minus, oh, here drawing is not okay. Suppose somewhere is -1, 0, this point, -1, 0. This is center. As it touches y-axis. This length must be radius of the circle. Let it be a, 2. So equation of this circle will be x minus a whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to a square. That is x square minus 2ax plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0, because this square and that square balances. So in that equation we have only one unknown, given that it passes through 0, -1. So putting x is equal to -1, -1, 0, it is 1 minus a plus 2a, x is -1, so 2a, y0, this y0 plus 4 is equal to 0. So that 2a is equal to -5. Value of a we get. So equation become x square minus 2ax, that is plus 5x, minus 2a plus 5 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. And given that, the question is, actually the problem is, then the circle also passes through, and 4 points are there, -3/2, -3/2, comma, just 1 minute. -3/2, 0, then -3, 0, -4, 0, and -2, 1. After that, we have to find this circle passes through this or this or this or that. Four options are there. This can be obtained only by option test. Option test means putting the value of x is equal to this, y is equal to that. If satisfies, then we can say that this is a point on that, or this is a point on that. For option test, it is better you start from the end, that is -2, 1. If -2, 1, it is equal to actually 4 minus 5 minus 10. 4 minus 10, y is equal to 4 plus 4. This is not is equal to 0, not satisfies it. Next attempt for x is equal to -4, y is equal to 0, 16 It is minus 4 means minus 20. 0, 0 plus 4. It is 16 plus 4. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0, which satisfies it. Therefore, this point minus 4 comma 0 is a point on that. That is the problem. That was the problem actually. And it is done by option test. Next. Let's see the circle with center at 1, 1 and radius 1. And T is another circle, center at 0K, passes through origin and touching C externally. Then radius of T is options are root 3 by 2, root 3 by root 2, half and 1 by 4. These are the options. Now let us see. Now let us see what is the exact problem. Given that there is a C is a circle, or just 1 minute. C is a circle center at 1, 1 and radius 1. Center is 1, 1 and radius 1 means it touches both x-axis and y-axis. Suppose C is that circle, center is C is 1, 1, its radius is 1, that is also 1, as because by its nature of the equation. And next, T is another circle, center at 0K. 0K is somewhere there, say. And about that circle, it is given that the circle passes through origin, means this, and touches this. So equation is like that. This is 0K. So its radius is K, that radius is K. Its radius is 1 means this is 1, and so on. We have to find the radius of the second circle, smaller circle, whose center is at 0K, passes through origin and touches circle C externally. Suppose that point is D. As because C and capital T, these two circles touch externally, therefore we must have center to center distance D to C must be equal to sum of the radii. Radius of the bigger circle is 1 and radius of the smaller circle is K. DC can be obtained. Coordinate of D is 0K. Coordinate of C is 1, 1. Therefore, it is root over of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus K whole square is equal to 1 plus K. Squaring 1 plus 1 minus K square is equal to 1 minus K whole square. This one is equal to whole square of that 1 plus 2K plus K square. That is 1 plus 1 minus 2K plus K square is equal to 1 plus 2K plus K square. So K square. This one is K square. So K square cancels. 1 cancels. K square cancels. We get minus 2K into that side and 2K into that side. So 4K in right hand side is equal to, on left hand side only one left. So we get an equation involving only unknown k, so whose value become k is equal to 1 by 4. And k is radius of the circle, this one or that one. So radius of the circle is 1 by 4. This is correct option. Next. Oh, that problem was given in, and these things I'm forgetting every time to say which year it was given. Actually, this problem was given in IIT JEE Main, in the year 2040. Yes. Next problem. The next problem is the straight line 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, meets the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x minus 18y plus 23 is equal to 0. The straight line meets this circle at number 1, only 1 point. Number 2, 2 points. At no point. And last option is 2 points, and it passes through. It means this passes through center. Center of the circle. Means options are in how many points this straight line meets this circle. 1 point, 2 point, no point, and 2 point, but it passes through center of the circle. The circle in its simplest form is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 23 by 3 is equal to 0. So its center C, say it is equal to 2, 3, and radius is root over of 2 square plus 3 square, 4 plus 9 minus 23 by 3, that is 13. 4 plus 9 is 13, so it is equal to root over of 13 into 3, 13 into 3, 39, minus 23 by 3, it is equal to root over 16 by 3, that is 4 by root 3. Its radius is that. So by actual drawing, this is the circle. Its center is at C, means 2, 3. Its radius is 4 by root 3. This circle will touch at no point. If it is something like that, it is outside the circle. In that case, distance of center to that straight line, it must be greater than 4 by root 3. It will pass through a single point if it simply touches it. That is, in that case, the distance between center to that one is radius of the circle. And if it is of that type, it meets circle at two distinct points. So in that case, let us see what is the exact condition here. From C is that distance of that one is 2 into x means 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 8 divided by root over of 4 plus 9. It is equal to 9, 1, 5 by root over of 13. So now this is perpendicular distance is that from center to that straight line perpendicular distance is this. Now let us see whether this is greater than or less than that. So it is 4 by root 3 and it is root 13. Root 13 means more than 3. So it is 2 point something and it is, so actually it is less than that. So this is less than that means this meets the circle at two different points, as because its distance from center is less than radius. Moreover, that straight line passes through center or not, we can verify it. 2, 3. So it is 4, 9. So it is greater than 8. So it is not lying on that. So only second option is, third option is, no, only second option is correct. It passes through two different points. Okay, today is up to this. Thank you. Next day we take few more problems.